Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of a Western Electric rotary telephone. Richard sent this in from Florida, and Richard was able to find this telephone brand new. It was a single line, direct line, 25 pair cable telephone, and it was hooked up to this. This is how you hook up the phone to the system, through this plug. And if I pulled this cap off, there's just a bunch of contacts in here, and that's how they would plug that into a system. So it's pretty cool. That's the first thing he wanted to get rid of, though, because he wants to use this for home use. So we're done with that. And another thing I want to show you is where it comes out the back. Here is the little housing for the 25 pair cable. You can bring any line cord you wanted to out of that. I worked on this telephone before the last time I talked to Richard, and he said that this was chipped here. And what he did was he got his Dremel tool out, and he put a contour in it, a kind of little curvature, and it looked so good that I never noticed it. And so he uniformed it out and made it look really nice. So he did a good job on that. And anyway, Richard has a situation where on these bells, this is a smaller bell than you would normally see in a desk phone like this, and they don't have the room. There's a bracket here that would have held a bunch of 25 pair cable stuff, and then a lot of that goes up underneath the rotary dial here. But since we don't have to deal with any of that, and it's a single line telephone, we were able to put our housing on here and a modular port and our line cord. So now if anything ever goes wrong with this line cord, he can simply unplug it and then plug a new one back in. Over here in this area, there's a factory on all of these desk phones little clamp here. It's a metal clamp, but I like to wrap double-sided sticky tape around the line cord and then push that clamp down on it. It kind of protects the line cord a little bit. But anyway, back to the bell situation. These telephones had a switch on them, but it's like a manual switch, and it just kind of squelches the bell. It doesn't really turn it off. And as you can see on the cover, it says loud or off. Well, it never really turns it all the way off, and a lot of them don't work right. So basically, Richard had a situation where he wants the bell to turn off totally, and this is a cap here that we added for the bell circuit and that. I ended up installing a switch down in this area right here, and you'll see a piece of linkage move back and forth that I installed. And I'll try to give you a little bit of view of that, if you can even see it. But I'll move it back and forth and you may be able to see it. So that's actually flipping a switch back and forth. It's not a 4-speed, but it's darn close to it. So now that bell does turn off and on. The other thing I want to talk to you about is this telephone came with the original schematic, so that was really cool. But anyway, what we want to do here is I want to plug the phone into the line, into the analyzer, and we're going to go ahead I'm going to set the video here. What we want to do is I'm going to ring the phone here real quick. And you'll see me flip this switch here on one of the ring cycles. Now it's off. I'll let it go a little bit. Next ring cycle I'll turn it on. We'll do that one more time. We'll catch it when it rings. So now he doesn't have to worry about it. It'll turn off totally. And that gives you some kind of ideal what we had to do there to get that straightened out. But them bell switches, I've seen very few ever really work properly. They just kind of squelch the bell. But anyway, let's turn this telephone around, and what we can do now is let's go ahead and call it like a time and temp number. I'll plug it into the regular line.
Shop our entire location online anytime at Offenburg.com. Today is Saturday, March 27th. The time is 2:36. Current temperature 46 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Mostly clear tonight, lows in the mid.
So anyway, this telephone is in working condition, and it's got its new modular line cord. It's got the bell repair and conversion done to it. And basically, the telephone is finished up. And I think Richard is going to be very happy with this telephone here. It's in really, you know, it's like it's a brand new telephone. So this telephone will probably be around for a very, very long time. And it's a really nice one. So anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.